Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy that you guys are here again with me. For those who don't know me, my name is Esme, but my friends gonna call me Lalis. For today, we're gonna be learning how to apply fake lashes. For me, it is something really simple just because I'm so used to doing them on the daily. But for some people, it's really complicated and sometimes it can even ruin their look. Their makeup is already done, and then when they're about to try to apply the lashes, it's like... But don't worry, today I'm gonna show you how I apply my lashes. I'm not sure if I'm doing it the right way. I'm just showing you the way it works for me, and I hope it works for you as well. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you gotta select the lashes that you're gonna be wearing. For today, I picked two different styles. This one, which is my favorite, the ones I wear all the time, the Eyler number 126. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but correct me if I'm wrong. Or something a little bit more simple. And these are cream number 38. For me, I really like lashes that are wispy and really out there. If I put more of a natural look, I feel like I'm not wearing lashes at all, so I just don't bother. But you know, it depends, whatever goes with the look that you're going for the occasion, for the party that you're going to. It all depends on you. One of the tips I could give you would be, first of all, cutting the lashes to your eye size, just because if they're too long, they're gonna be poking at the edges and then you're gonna get irritated. Your eyes are gonna start crying and then your lashes are gonna start falling off. So once you get a pair of lashes, let me take this off. You're gonna need some tweezers, mascara, eyelash glue. My favorite would be the Kiss Strip Lash. It's really good and it dries kind of like, it turns blue when it's ready to put on. Also some eyeliner, eyelash curler, some scissors so you can cut your lashes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take them out of the package and I'm just gonna pull it from the outer corner, so that, you know, if I pull any of the hairs from there, I have a little bit of room to just cut the lash. But you're gonna be really careful. So just like really slowly. There we go. So once you take them out, just make sure that you don't put any glue, nothing at all, just as it is. Try to measure it on your eye. As you can see, lashes are usually tapered. So I'm just gonna kind of like glue it right there. So okay, there we go. So as you can see, lashes are usually tapered, so one corner is a little bit shorter than the end. You see what I mean? So basically the shorter part goes in the inner corner and then the longer goes in the outer corner, so that's how you know which one is your right and which one is your left lash. Also, you don't want to put it too close to your inner corner, because then when you blink it's gonna be poking right here and it's gonna make you cry. Just place it in the middle of your eye, really close to your natural eyelash. Okay, and you see in your eye how like we have pink in your inner corner for your teardrop, the tear duct or whatever. So just make sure your eyelashes start from there. So it just kind of gives you a little bit of room right here. Alright, and then right here at the outer corner, just leave a little bit of space right here at the end as well. And then this one, I can already tell that about the last two lines right here, it's what I'm gonna be cutting, because otherwise it's gonna be too long and it's gonna be poking me right here. So I'm gonna cut that part and then I'm gonna take it off. And then you don't want to cut from from the hair up, you want to cut from the band. And like I said, it's about the second line. I don't know if you can. So 1, 2. And I'm just gonna place it back again. And I would suggest that you cut little by little if you're new at this, because it's easier to cut a little bit more rather than cutting it and then you won't be able to glue it back on. So just do it little by little. And as you can see now, it fits me perfect. I have space here and I have space right here at the end as well. And I'm literally gonna do the same thing with the other. Place it right above my natural lashes. And then I'm leaving that space as well. Our eyes are not asymmetrical, so that's why I measure on each eye, just because I want to make sure that they fit right. Otherwise, like I said, it's gonna be poking, you're gonna be crying, and it's gonna be really uncomfortable. You're gonna end up taking them off, and you don't want that. You want to look glam, you want to look pretty. That's why you're looking for this video, so that you learn how to put them on right and how to rock them, you know. Just be confident as well. Now they look perfect, they feel comfortable, it's not poking. All right, if you're wearing eyelashes that are a little bit more glamorous, you're gonna be doing about the same thing, you know, measuring them, cutting them to the size of your eye. These bands are usually thicker, so what I do to get them a little bit more curved, I'm just gonna take a face brush like this one, and I'm just gonna glue the lash on the stick. So for whenever you're ready to wear the lashes, they're gonna be, you know, curved and ready for you to wear them. They're usually a little bit more flat, so by doing this overnight, it takes the shape and they're gonna sit on the curve of your eye a little bit easier. Like I said, this one is on the lashes that have thicker band. That's what helps me a lot, or what used to help me, because now I can just do it right out of the package. Okay, so moving on to mascara, I'm gonna be applying just a thin layer. Sometimes I don't even apply mascara on my natural lashes, just because my natural lashes are really short, so they don't really bug me. To be honest, they don't even show. And I'm just gonna take the L'Oreal Luminous mascara. This one I like it because it has a really thin brush, and I'm just gonna go in just apply a thin layer of mascara. Then grab whatever lashes you're wearing. You could either go for the more natural look, or you can go for the glamorous. Should I do one and one? Alright, so I'm just gonna do one side with the eyeliner lash, so which is the glamorous lash, and then I'm gonna do the other side with the more natural look, which was the cream lashes, or the creme lashes. I don't know, I'm really bad at saying these names. Now I'm just gonna take any black eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna apply it at the top lash line. Ow! The secret to apply the black liner is not looking at the pencil, otherwise you're gonna keep blinking and your eyes are gonna cry and it's just gonna be really bad. So what I do is I kind of like hold my eyelid up and look away. So if I'm doing this side, then I'm gonna look over here. If I'm doing this side, I'm gonna look that way. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply the glue on the lashes. And I'm gonna be taking the Kiss strip lash. Sorry, it looks kind of crusty. This is what I use every day, as you can tell. So if you look at it, it looks white. And you're gonna apply a really thin layer. There we go. And I'm just gonna let it sit there. And then I'm gonna take the other lash. So on this one I'm gonna be doing the Glam Lash, and this one I'm gonna be doing the natural lash. Like I said, just a thin layer. You don't wanna go crazy on the glue because then it's gonna take longer for it to dry, and then it's gonna be harder for you to apply it on your eye. Okay, so as you can see, the glue is turning bluish. That means that it's time for you to apply it. And as you can see, I'm grabbing the eyelash with the tweezers in the middle. I don't go like that. I usually put the eyelash facing upward, so my real lashes won't interfere when I apply them. Just put it right at the middle, place it there, and then take one of the corners, get it as close as possible as you can to your natural lashes, and then take the other corner and place it, you see, and then just make sure that all the lash strip is fully on your eyelid. And as I'm going, I'm kind of like pinching the fake lashes with my natural lashes so that they blend in together. Just make sure you don't pull, because then your natural lashes are gonna come off, or your fake lashes, and it's gonna be a mess. And I kind of like push them up a little bit once I feel like they have dried a little bit. There we go. I'm just gonna take the more natural look lash and apply it on the other side. So once again, take it from the middle, put your tweezers up, apply it right in the middle, and then pull one of the corners. Now do the other corner. Make sure that it's fully on your eyelash line, and then just push a little bit. There we go. This is the natural side, and this is the Glam. Alright, and since I don't want to be with one lash from one set and then the other lash with another one, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same pair right here. And finally, to blend the lashes, you're gonna go back with the mascara, but then the mascara, just apply it at the base of the lashes. You don't wanna go all the way in because the fake lashes are gonna lose their shape. And then I kinda like wiggle it. And this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it is helpful for you, and if you have any more questions, just comment me down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram at Lalis Rodriguez for everyday makeup looks. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and see you till next one. Bye.